Welcome back to another of my how to do tutorials. Hello, I am Veronica and today I'm gonna show you how I did this cute doggy ornament. So let's get started. This time I chose a plastic ball ornament and a rice paper with dog design on it. I will put the link where I got this rice paper in the comments. Next step is to apply white paint. I applied 2 layers. Let the paint dry in between. Then it is time to apply the rice paper. I chosen Decoupage Glue, but you can use Mod Podge as well. Tear up your design so it will fit on the ball better. Glue the rice paper onto the ball. Sometimes it still doesn't fit properly, and to avoid wrinkles, just cut the rice paper a little bit deeper inside. I glued 4 images of the ball. Let the glue dry. Next step is to paint in between the design. Here are the paints I chose. Let it dry when you are finished painting. Next step for me is always decoupage glitter glue, but you can skip this step if you don't have this kind of glue. Then put varnish, or as I have chosen, glaze on your ornament. I have applied 4 layers to better shine, and I let it dry in between pretty good. Well, it is upside down, but it is air drying clay. Express glue from pentart, some mold, and I have made some cute handmade flowers with it. But before I apply the flower and glue them onto the ornament, I have put the ribbon on it so it can be hung on a tree or some other places. Then I have glued the hibiscus flowers onto the ornament. Let the clay dry, best is overnight. Then of course it's time to paint again, so I paint in the flowers with the colors you have seen. After the flowers are dry, I have sealed them with matte varnish. The last step was to apply some wax paste. And here it is, all finished, a cute doggy ornament. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or tell me in comments what you think about this doggy ornament. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe for more tutorials.